also a fellow YouTuber, and he has 2.21 lakh subscribers up on his channel. And this is the conference area. So, hi everybody, and today I am here at the Indian Expo Center to attend the Bharat Shiksha Expo. It is an expo related to the educational fair, we all can say. And you all can see at the entrance there is a very beautiful wooden sculpture made up of a representation of a elephant. And so let's take entry and let's see what we have got in the expo. So let's go on a tour. एंट्री करनी पड़ेगी. We all have also visited here once, and it's from 11 to 13th November, the Bharat Shiksha Expo. It is not as much as crowded as it was before when we came for the trade fair. So let's see what are the outcomes now and what we have got in this educational fair. This time I have came here to attend this because I didn't got anyone to make a companion with. So let's see, let's take entry and let's explore what is in this educational fair. It's from 11th to 13th November and it is only lasting till 6th in the evening. So that's why I'm visiting it. Let's enjoy. So now I've got the badge and the card for the entry, and now let's explore. We are also getting free Wi-Fi here, and there is table for the registrations. In my back you all can see Sri Yogendra Upadhyay, the Honorable Minister of Higher Education by the government of Uttar Pradesh. And let's take entry and let's see what we are getting in this expo to see. This is the entrance. Now this time it is written as is sponsored by Galgotia's University, and now we are entering. All these designs you all can see. Here is the list of the partners and sponsors of the Bharat Shiksha Expo. So before I start, let's give you all an outline of what is in this expo.
So, this is the Bharat Shiksha Expo 2024 with collaborative partner Galgotia University, GL Bajaj University and IILM University, sponsored by the Education Ministry and the Ministry of Uttar Pradesh.
Let's explore. Here is the board of the Sharda University. We all can explore it here. Top 10 reasons to join Sharda University. Global class facility and all the presentation. So this is basically a presentation from Sharda University promoting the Sharda World School. They are providing and they are claiming to be that they are the best and the most awarded boarding school in the region. And here also the list of the world is here with 3,000 plus alumni across the globe, and all this type of things we are now going to see in this expo. This expo is all about what is educational tech and what is the role of educational tech in shaping the world, shaping the people of India. So let's explore and let me explain you all. So in my bag is the all presentations of the Bharat Shiksha Fair 2024. Let me tell you all that this fair is all about the educational tech and promoting the technology related to education and all the new initiatives which are being now taken by, thank you, which are now taken by the following universities. In my back you can see there's the logo of Galgotia University, and just like I've shown you the Sharda World School. All these things have just one thing to do. All these things are to give the new aspects of education to the common people, and now we are going to explore this in the Bharat Shiksha Expo, all about that what people are getting and why these expos are important and to be held regularly. Thank you. This is the presentation from the Galgotia's University. The timing of expo is still 6, so I am where I can get a brochure from the Galgotia University. The students are. तो यहाँ पे मिले मुझे, they are asking me, so let me give them my channel name. हाँ, नया यूट्यूब चैनल मैंने शुरू किया अभी 123 सब्सक्राइबर्स ही हुए हैं. आप लोग किस कॉलेज से हैं? नाइस टू मीट यू. थैंक यू. इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करना. थैंक यू. So I have met a few new people. They were asking about my channel. This is at my back, the presentation from the Lloyd Institute. The Lloyd group of institutions. We all can see that few people are now going to visit here, and this is from the Lloyd. All these things, career prospects, pharmacy. Try archery. Chalo. Wow. Enjoy. Wow. In my back is attempting archery. And this is all about all the things that we explored. Let's move on. Next generation learning with AI. Holistic learning. Gaur International School, Greater Noida. And this is something child related stuff. NAMAD masking related to children's development, small children and all. GL Bajaj now. This is now a presentation from the GL Bajaj College. GL Bajaj is one of the most reputed and prestigious colleges here in Greater Noida. We all can see what are these things about. This is from something made from GL Bajaj students. Welcome to the Bharat Shiksha Expo, hall number 3. Here we all can see this is the counseling zone. All these things are here, partners. Here are various arrangements too. It's a hackathon here. And Association of Indian Principals Program, partners and sponsors. My back is the hackathon. Hackathon is basically all about we are here to develop new ideas, coding, programming, C, and which is from the MIT incubation. And let's see in my back, there are people attempting and doing counseling. And let's see this JP Public School. Hackathon is here, and we all can do it. Chalo bhai. Chalo bhai bolo. These are all the seniors participating in the hackathon.
Hi guys.
Hi everybody.
Two-time hackathon winner.
Two-time winners from the GL Bajaj College. Thank you all for being the part of the blog. So I basically met a few seniors from the GL Bajaj College, and now I am moving towards the next part. This was the counseling section. Here hackathons, new innovation ideas, and all the investors summits were there. The people whom I met were 2 times winners. So let's see what we are going to explore next. In my back now you can see the Ekman Business School, the board of Ekman Business School. All these schools are now presenting here their own groups, own marts, own expos to promote their schools, colleges, and all. This is the conference area.
Wonderful that we have amongst us corporate professionals, entrepreneurs, and also government servants. Last but not the least, Miss Shreya is our fifth success story speaker. She's a current student of Galgocha University and co-founder of Viksit Ecomart. Join me in inviting her to the stage. Miss Shreya.
Success story. Here people are sharing their own success stories.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity. I am here to represent Vrikshit Ecomart, which was founded by Ms. Garima Jain. Actually, Vrikshit Ecomart हमें idea
So I'm also a fellow YouTuber and he has 2.21 lakh subscribers on his channel, and now we both are. Thanks, and one day I also believe that I will grow like him and all.
Okay, bro, please subscribe to his channel. He is working really hard here. He is trying to capture every possible detail of the event. So my channel is into IT only. Amit thinks he'll also add a name, but इसके चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करो और इसको सपोर्ट करो because he's really working hard. Okay guys, thanks a lot.
Metro University boards are here, and this is basically for the paramedics, Metro University, co-curricular and extracurricular events. These all are promoting their own, like psychiatric nursing, community health nursing, medical surgical nursing, and pediatric nursing. These universities are providing you one of the best educations which you all can take. Metro College of Health and Sciences Research, Greater Noida. This is the presentation from the JSS University, Noida, School of Pharmacy, and this is basically working in the field of medicine, and you all can see the media coverage. If you are watching this vlog, please subscribe, like, share. This is JSS Mahavidyapeeth, and this is all about this. So now here we all can see the district inspector schools, campus talk sutras. Now it is here, the Gautam Buddha University. You all can see the hills of Gautam Buddha, which is closed. The IILM University, Greater Noida. Here are the presentations, alumni achievements. You all can see. Here is the GLA University, an ACC grade A+, building futures, now in Greater Noida. And international academic partners, you all can see, and all these universities are promoting their. This is the Rajasthan Kendriya Vidyalaya, alumni of Sivraj. And this is from the Central University of Rajasthan. Department of English. Accurate group of institutions. All this is also here. Trinity sponsors of the Soda IMA, Greater Noida, and I will also send Dean Sir, digital forensics, and the instant response. Last time when I visited here, I didn't found many people who interacted with me, but this time I found 2-3 people who have given me such a good motivation, and thanks to all of the people who have given me these motivations, and they all have given me ideas to how can I improve my quality of vlog, how can I improve quality of the videos. So basically this educational fair is all about, you can, if you are visiting here, you will get a good aspect, you will get something betterment, something for the betterment for your future. And all these new universities, all these colleges, established colleges which has great influence on people are also here, and you all can interact with people all around this, let's say, Greater Noida, and you will get a good view of it. So thanks to all, and you all can visit all these fairs, and this is for the benefit of you also. So now I'm sitting here, and the purpose of this blog was to show you all that we all should attend this kind of educational fairs, this kind of educational expos, because here you can get opportunities to meet alumni, meet professors, meet people related to the field of education. And this was not a very big expo, it was not as enormous as the trade fair, but this has pretty quality things to do. I found few new people, I found few new subscribers, I found few new people who interacted with me, they gave me motivation. So thanks you all, and before ending this blog I would like to tell you all, please like, share and subscribe for more vlogs of this kind. And you all can also follow me on Instagram, and please subscribe, please share with your friends, and I request you all to please visit this kind of educational fairs in a large amount. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.